hit it without having to take the wire down. Suppose I ought to explain what I'm doing here. This is 40-plus-year-old board and batten siding, and it's seen better days. However, the wood is good, and it's another one of those things that was cut here on the farm that you can't buy anymore, not without a great price. I know I'm talking out of screen here, but I'm still having a hard time doing video and working at the same time. I can't figure out how to do both. But this pine is really, really, really good. I'll pull one off of here and we'll show you. From the outside, you can tell it's 40-plus years old. It looks like crap. But I can't throw it away because that's good farm-cut pine. So we're going to clean it up and use it for other projects, like the wall in the bedroom, one of the walls in the bedroom. With the sun and the warmth that we had today, I took advantage of it. And I brought the well pipe out here and got it straightened out in the sun. And Petra's been working on piles. We're going to burn them eventually. And get over here. Oh yeah, forgot the flagpoles. Got two 30-foot pines right here. Got them tied together to try to straighten them out some. But, those are going to be flagpoles. And Petra's been working her butt off cleaning piles up and everything else. And we get out here and we got the giant pile. And let me zoom in. That thing's about 8 foot high and about 12 foot across. And at some point that's going to get burnt. But getting ready for well Saturday. Got to go in town tomorrow or Friday morning and get some PVC so I can make some temporary pipe connections. And decided that the kitchen house, summer kitchen, which is way over there behind me, I'll zoom in on it. It's got a boat in it right now. The summer kitchen house is actually going to be wood storage for now because it's going to be a while before we can get to the point of actually turning it into a kitchen. So that's where we've been. All these scrap here, all the stuff that's knocked down. Firewood's been going over to the kitchen shack. And I got a bunch more of it to go out here yet. We got to clean all that mess up over there. Petra stacked that up all by herself today. She worked her butt off. And a little bit at a time, that's all we can do. That's what we are doing. And oh yeah, the first part of this video I was taking the siding down off the house. Got all but 3 boards down, and I can't take those down at the moment. They got wiring hooked into them, and part of them's around the window that's, I guess they nailed it to the window frame, and I can't take the boards off because it pulls the window frame out. But we got a lot of good barn wood out of it. So I'm headed up over here to show you. And Petra completed the little rock garden around the daffodils that are coming up. Fairly certain that these daffodils have been here for a very long time. We got good barn wood here. That was off the siding, board and batten siding on the house. And this pile down here is the stuff we've already got the nails pulled out of. And as you can see, there's a bunch of it. And it's all 12 inches wide and 1 inch thick. Sawmill cut 1 inch, not lumberyard 1 inch. But we still got junk piles we got to get rid of. But we're working on it. Got to start working on the other gate. Got to make a wedding arbor for Jackie and Jennifer yet. And one day at a time. And we have the Franconian flag hanging up here. And we have the German flag hanging up over there. And of course the American flag down here on the corner. And got this kerosene slash citronella slash lamp oil lantern from Walmart. Don't buy them. They are the biggest piece of junk. It leaked all over everywhere, and then it wouldn't go out. And I ran it again last night to test it, and it actually burnt down inside of the fuel can on the bottom end of it here. It burnt down in here. So don't buy those. They're junk. And dangerous junk at that.